Asisebenzise sikwaziyo ke nge-product rule nange-chain rule ukuze sithole umphumela ka-derivative with respect to x of e to the cosine x times cosine e to the power of x. Sivale la ifunction yethu ke le impela moyibuka ngathi inzima impela, kodwa sobona ukuthi ayikho nzima. Sizothi ke equals e to the cosine of x times cosine of e to the x plus e to the cosine of x times derivative with respect to x ka cosine e to the x, yeah. Bese siqede lapho ke yabona ukuthi sisebenzisa i-chain rule ne-product rule. La nansi i-product rule yethu siyisebenzise la uma sehla ke awuthi ngikopishe lokhu ngiphinde ngikubhale laphaya khona sizokwazi nje ukuqhubeka, yeah. Derivative with respect to x ka e to the cosine of x equals, nange siyakhumbula kuqala ukuthi sabona ukuthi e to the noma yini, i-derivative yalokho, i-derivative ya e to the noma yini ubani u-e to the noma yini. Awuthi ngibhale la e to the lana unoma yini to cosine x kuzoba u-e to the power of cosine x futhi. Derivative ka e to cosine x u-e to cosine x. Umthetho wey'balo uyasitshela lokho. Ebese sithi ke times negative sine x, derivative ka cosine x leyo. I want to lo e to cosine x derivative ka e to the cosine x with respect to cosine x. Derivative ka e to the power of cosine x with respect to cosine x. Ebese negative sine x derivative ka cosine x nje bengishilo with respect to x. Lokhu ke sikugcineni lokhu la awuthi sikopishe nako sikufake lapha enzansi. Yeah. Cosine e to the negative x, cosine e to the cosine e to the x ngise negative sine, derivative ka cosine negative sine of e to the x, negative sine e to the power of x. Siyabona ukuthi lokhu i-derivative ka cosine of e to the power of x with respect to e to the power of x. Negative sine siyazi ukuthi i-derivative ka cosine times e to the power of x, lokhu ke i-derivative ka e to the power of x with respect to x. Uma siqhubeka lana athi ngithathe umbala wami sikopishe lokhu, yeah, isibalo sethu lesi kade siqale ngaso vele. Ebese sithi equals sikubhale kahle ke konke lokho bekade sikubhala la ukuthi negative e to the power of cosine x, negative e to the power of cosine x laphaya times sine to the power times sine x times cosine e to the power of x, yabo, plus e to the power of cosine x lo yabona nanku usin e to the power of x. That's pen lami negative minus or negative e to the power of x, yeah, derivative ka e to the power of x leyo, times e to the power of cosine x, times e to the power of cosine x laphaya, bese naku negative sine e to the power of x wethu. Times sine e to the power of x, times sine e to the power of x. Nanko-ke futhi i-chain rule ne-product rule lesi sesisebenzisile ukuze sithole umphumela wethu.